In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view query history in Snowflake. Whether you're a data analyst, a Snowflake administrator, or just someone eager to learn, understanding how to effectively access and analyze query history in Snowflake is crucial. This valuable tool empowers you to monitor performance, troubleshoot issues, and gain insights into your database activities. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into Snowflake and open Snowsight, which is Snowflake's modern interface designed to improve your data experience. Once you're in Snowsight, cast your eyes over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll find a series of options that can help you track and manage your data usage. For exploring query history, direct your attention to the Monitoring section, and then click on Query History. This is your gateway to a comprehensive overview of the queries that have been executed in your Snowflake environment. Once you're in the Query History section, you'll notice a range of filters available to help you refine the information to exactly what you need. These filters are quite powerful, as they enable you to narrow down your search by a variety of parameters, ensuring you can focus on the data that's most relevant to your purposes. You can filter your queries by individual or grouped queries, which helps you determine whether you're looking at a singular query or a batch of them. Additionally, you can refine by date range, which is essential if you're investigating queries from a specific time period, looking into trends, or following up on recent activity. The User filter allows you to view queries executed by particular individuals, which can be particularly useful in multi-user environments. The Warehouse filter helps you understand which of your warehouses is being used, giving insight into resource allocation. You can also filter by query type, such as DML or DDL, and by duration to see which tasks are consuming the most time. Once you've applied the necessary filters and have located a specific query you'd like to examine further, go ahead and click on it. This action will open the Query Details view, where you'll uncover a wealth of information. Here, you can view the SQL text to understand exactly what was executed. You'll also find the execution status and timing, vital for gauging performance and pinpointing any bottlenecks. The Query Profile provides a step-by-step performance breakdown, offering insights into how each part of the query was processed. Finally, the Metrics section delivers detailed data on bytes scanned, duration, and resource usage. This is where you can truly assess efficiency and resource consumption, enabling you to make informed decisions on potential optimizations. That's all there is to it. By mastering these steps, you'll be well equipped to monitor and optimize your query activity in Snowflake. Thanks for watching, and happy